What I'm going to be showing you is how to use AI in your small business. So what you're going to see is what this AI tool can actually do. Then I'm going to demonstrate it for you live in action so that you can see how it works. And then lastly, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to go through and set this up in your business. And the best part about this is you can do it all 100% for free. And if you share this video with a friend who runs or works in a small business and drop a comment down below, I'll shoot you over a private link so that you can actually talk with an AI employee, see exactly how this could work for you in your business, and get it all set up 100% for free.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is actually go through and go over to Google. So we're going to actually give you the customer experience of what they are looking for with their services that they're trying to grab from their local business. And so in this case, we're going to look for an HVAC service near me. And of course, it's going to pull up businesses. Of course, I'm outside of San Antonio in Cibolo, Texas, so it's giving me all the local businesses that are in the area currently that I can look up and get a service from dealing with HVAC that's out there. And almost all these customers do this process to find out where they can get their services done. So let's just say I wanted to call out air cooled mechanical services to get in touch with them. And if nobody answers the phone, if I don't have a text or I don't have some type of communication with them, what simply the customer is going to do is going to go down to the next person. So, what you want to put in your perspective is see what you can do for your local business that you can actually take advantage when a customer does reach out to your business, how to constantly stay in contact with them and let your AI employee with this tool communicate with them overall at the end to book an appointment for you and schedule you an appointment with your techs or your team so you can actually take advantage and turn that lead into a customer that's out there. And almost all these customers do this process to find out where they can get their services done. So let's just say I wanted to call out air cooled mechanical services to get in touch with them. And if nobody answers the phone, if I don't have a text or I don't have some type of communication with them, what simply the customer is going to do is going to go down to the next person. So what you want to put in your perspective is see what you can do for your local business that you can actually take advantage when a customer does reach out to your business, how to constantly stay in contact with them and let your AI employee with this tool communicate with them overall at the end to book an appointment for you and schedule you an appointment with your techs or your team so you can actually take advantage and turn that lead into a customer. What I'm going to do is actually call into the AI employee live so you get a direct feel or the process or steps that's going to be taken inside of the conversation to actually hear how it goes and how this tool could be useful for you. All right, so let's go live and just make a phone call and get it live. Let me see, make sure it's on. This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hey, you have reached Tim, the AI assistant for Maurice's HVAC services. How can I help you today? Yes, I need to get a technician to come check out my information, my services at the house. Got it. Let's get you set up with an appointment. Could I have your name, please? Sure, is Marcus. Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Marcus. Is that correct? Yes, sir, that's correct. Great, Marcus. Could you please provide your email address so we can contact you? Sure, is Mocov, Moecov as in Victor at gmail.com. Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is moecov at gmail.com. Is that correct? Yep, that's correct. Awesome. Now, could you share your address with me? Sure, it's 123 Main Street, and it's in Cibolo, Texas, 78108. Thanks for that. So your address is 123 Main Street, Cibolo, Texas, 78108. Is that right? Yes, that's correct. Perfect. A team member will reach out to you soon to confirm the details. Is there anything else I can help you with today? No, sir. There's a link that you can send me. Of course, I'm busy the rest of the day, but if you have anything I can schedule an appointment with. No worries, Marcus. I've already scheduled your appointment. If you need to make any changes, just let us know. Have a great day. Thank you. You too. All right. So I hope that was exciting for you just to check out that demo. And what we're going to do is I want to put this in your mind, what you can do with this for your local business, whether you're a gym owner, whether you're a plumber, a real estate agent, a chiropractor, whatever your business is, what this would do to help enhance your customer experience when they're looking for your local business locally. So just to give you a quick check, of course, I did put a link on there. This is the actual AI bot for demonstration that I had chimed in for your the AI employee, but it sent me a text. I don't know if you can see me back it up. There you go. It sent me a text. It didn't give me the actual calendar because I don't have a calendar connected to it on because it's a demo. But this is the perspective I want you to get when you don't even have to talk to your front desk, don't have to talk to your customers. Your AI employee talks to them, and guess what? It gets them booked for an appointment or a service appointment, and it gathers that information and it sends them either a booking calendar that you have locally, or you can have a booking calendar within the system. So this is the beautiful thing. So just for just concepts say we're going to actually build one out brand new. And this is the process we would do if you were to check this system out and try it out for yourself. So what you do is a couple steps. You want to create an agent. So the beautiful part about that is you can name it any name. So for demo's sake, we're going to call this person Lisa, just for having it. And then we're going to change the business to Maurice's uh, real estate company. And also, while you're looking at this demonstration, think about what questions you want your AI employee to ask that will be beneficial for that customer to go ahead and give to you so you can actually get them as a customer and book out your appointments. And so, beautiful part about this is you can actually test the voices. So I always recommend if you really want to have fun with this and just try out different voices to see how it goes. Let me see if I can pull a decent one up here for Lisa. We'll do Joanne, and then you can test it out.
Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself.
And so you can actually test out any voice. And once you get your voice checked out, you can just simply type it here. And this is what's going to happen when the customer calls. You'll say, "Hi, hey Lisa, hey there." It'll let's type this right here. Yeah, reach Lisa. Of course, I don't have a real estate company, but just for example purposes, just want you to check it out, just see spell it right. Real estate firm. Let's just change the firm. That sounds that sounds more lawyer. I will just keep it that company. It just works for lawyers too as well. How can I help you today? So what you're going to do on the next part is, since it's already inbound, now we're getting ready to roll over outbound. So this is going to be fun once that's rolled over. Not to spam people, but in the case somebody do call and you don't get it there, you don't get in touch with them right away, you can set this up that your AI employee can reach out to that person, follow up, and get some additional information to book an appointment with you to either get your service or product. So something to keep in mind. And so what you want to do is set up to get their name, email. And if you're in the servicing like plumbing and HVAC, you want to click on this as well to get their address and to get the contacts issue. And so what that's going to do is once your AI employee collects all this data, it will give you a better feel, or your team a better feel what the issue is and how you can interact and solve that person's problem. And so once you get that checked off, and what I usually do, I go to switch to advanced mode. And so when you switch to advanced mode, you can ask your AI employee specific question that goes with your niche. So you can actually get more and gather more information that will help your customer experience out as well. Once they collect everything, they can actually you can transfer that to your team. If your team answers the calendar appointments, they can actually get a feel of what's going on, and they can interact and respond appropriately. And so you can set all that up. So let's just do for real estate. You can ask a question: are you in the process of buying a home in the next month or so. Use that, and then when they respond, you can ask, are you looking for a real estate agent locally, or do you have one already that you are currently working with? And so on and so forth. And so, what you want now with these questions, like I said, you can actually qualify this client based on the way they answer the question. So, you at the end of it, they can book an appointment with you. And so, what? Oh, I went too fast. What I did click on was send them an SMS. And so this is the process. Either you want them to go into your calendar to book a calendar appointment with you, or if you want to send it to your team's calendar, if you have multiple agents that's working with you, or if you have a team in place, you can have that go to their team calendar, and then those team members can actually connect with them after they book their appointment. And so we're just going to use for this for an example, book appointment, and then the message input, um, book appointment for team. We'll just use that for the example. And then what you will want to put in place, and we'll set this up for you as well. Uh, if anyone asks to book an appointment for your services. And so this is letting the AI employee know, okay, once they hear those keywords book appointment, this will get it to send out the appointment calendar via SMS. So it's going right up before they hang up the call. They're going to have the appointment in place and send it to them. Or if they can't book an appointment right then and there, they can send it. The system will send out a appointment text, and then they can book an appointment when they have time available. And so, and what to say when you send it to SMS, please check. Let's say appointment sent. Uh, appointment, if I can spell, it's sent. Please let me if you receive the appointment. Now, if they're still live on the call, in most cases, you can actually have it send out and they're still on the call. The customer's still on the call with the AI employee. The AI employee will wait and say, hey, hey, we just sent out your link for your appointment. Please let us know if you can, did you receive it? And once the customer receives it, say, yes, I did receive it. They'll give a response and say, great. And listen, look forward to hearing back from you. And, they can end the call from there. So this is the beautiful thing. You'll just save. It's taking a little bit, but it's okay. And then if you want to add workflows, it can send it into the system and it can do some other neat stuff to create some more uh, traction to help you with your customer experience. But for the most part, this is everything that is needed from there. And then from here, you would just connect either your business number if you have one. If you need one, we can give you a business number that is specific for that, and it can actually go to that number. Or if you want to forward it, you can forward it to a phone number from there, and you can just add the number once they opt in and it's saved. And so, what I would do if you are a 24/7 company, you can leave this unchecked. But if you want to check it based on business hours, you can actually go through the process and let everybody know when you're available, and then save it. And then once that is taken care of, and then you can actually have your team member reach back out to them when they do call, or just do the 24/7 option. That works best for me as well, 'cause especially for plumbing and AC mechanic services. Of course, they want to make sure that they get the call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So uh, hope this was very helpful in this video to check out, but we got some more for you. Right, so I'm going to be making more content that's going to be specifically to different niches and different companies that's out there that are looking to use the AI employee tool to actually enhance the business. And what want you to do, if you can, if don't mind sharing the video to other colleagues or other folks that are running small businesses that may be in a different niche. And if you are in a different niche, definitely click on the links below. Well, not click on the links, I'm sorry. Send a comment below. And so once you send a comment in, I'm definitely going to be following up on those comments, and we'll make specific videos for specific niches to get you more up to tune with the AI employee tool. So listen, hope this has been a valuable video for you. But once again, always subscribe and click on the box so you get the updates as well. And listen, we look forward to hearing back from you very soon. Be on the lookout for some more content, and we'll see you in the next video.